centerline, Convo Pros. 33s on the back, 31s on the front. Shifter's a B&M Pro Ratchet, it's got a trans brake. Motor itself is just a VT motor, just standard internals, 180,000 Ks on the motor. Just did head studs, valves. She made 481 kilowatts on the corn juice. All the work was done by Ash McBain, who works at Fusion Fabrication. He did all the manifolds, dump pipe, gates. One of my mates, Ash Mackay, he painted the car for me. The turbos are 3582s, built by ProBoost. Raced it about 4 weeks ago, colder. First run was a 10.9. Plans for the car, we'll probably try and get it into the 9s. Just something completely different, something to sort of play around with on the street and flip people out a little bit. The exhaust is a twin 3-inch and a single 4-inch, just one muffler. Suspension's just standard springs, standard shocks.